Imagine stepping into a world where opulence meets the extraordinary, a place so lavish it could only belong to one of music's greatest icons. Welcome to Drake's mansion. But hold on, this isn't your typical celebrity home tour. This story has twists, turns, and a touch of legal drama that's as intriguing as it is amusing. Let's start with a feature that might raise an eyebrow or two. Picture this. You're strolling through Drake's palatial residence, and you need to use one of the many bathrooms. You approach the toilet, and surprise! Not only does it greet you by opening up, but it also serenades you with Tupac's classics. Yes, you heard that right. Drake's love for music extends even to the most private corners of his abode. This musical toilet is just a peek into the sheer uniqueness of Drake's mansion, but getting to this point was no easy feat. In fact, Drake's journey to build his dream home in Toronto's elite Bridle Path neighborhood is a story worth telling. In 2015, he bought a property for $6.7 million. But it wasn't the modest 1963 bungalow that caught his eye. It was the land itself. Bridle Path isn't just any neighborhood, it's the epitome of wealth in Canada, where the average net worth of residents is a staggering $22 million. Here, every mansion is a statement of luxury, and Drake was all set to make his mark. But little did he know, his plans would stir quite the controversy. When the blueprints for Drake's three-story mansion went public in 2016, they revealed a home so grand it pushed the boundaries of the neighborhood's regulations. We're talking about a mansion that defied the standard building limits, with its towering height and a driveway that's more like a private road in its own right. And then there were the fences. Privacy is key for a star like Drake, but his plans for extra high barriers sparked a not-so-neighborly debate. Despite the opposition, Drake's vision eventually won, thanks to his commitment to preserving the property's greenery to the tune of $1 million spent on trees. The council gave the green light. And so, the demolition of the historic bungalow began, paving the way for a residence that's as bold as Drake's personality. As construction progressed, the scale of this project became more evident. An NBA-sized basketball court was just the beginning. The mansion's size doubled from the initial 21,000 square feet to an astonishing 45,000. Think about it. That's like combining two average homes to form just Drake's bedroom suite. But why go to such lengths? For Drake, it's about creating something enduring, a legacy in his hometown that stands the test of time. It's not just a house, it's a monument to his achievements, a testament to the heights of luxury. Now, isn't that something to marvel at? As we dive deeper into the world of Drake's incredible mansion, remember, if you're enjoying this lavish journey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Stay with us as we unveil more of this architectural marvel. As Drake's dream mansion rose from the ground, it wasn't just about the bricks and mortar. It was a canvas reflecting years of hard work and ambition from every angle. But as impressive as the construction was, it brought to light a significant concern: security. Imagine having a house so renowned it's marked as Drake's mansion on Google Maps. The result? A daily and nightly barrage of unwelcome visitors. To combat this, Drake's security measures were ramped up to levels that would make a fortress blush. We're talking top-tier security that would make any intruder think twice. As one YouTube video revealed, even getting close to the property was a challenge, let alone stepping foot on it. The message was clear. This is Drake's sanctuary, not a tourist spot. But let's dive into the more light-hearted aspects of this architectural wonder. Have you ever seen a bed worth $700,000? That's what Drake sleeps on. This isn't just any bed, it's a Grand Vitus masterpiece, complete with a whiskey and champagne bar, because why not? And let's not forget the 4,000-pound marble bathtub, a literal cornerstone of luxury in his ensuite. Drake's wardrobe is a two-story fashion haven, a testament to his style and charisma. He describes it as a place where he unwinds and preps for the day. It's more than just clothes storage. It's a sanctuary within a sanctuary. Now let's fast forward to October 2019. After 3 years of labor and love, Drake gave us a sneak peek of his nearly completed luxury pad. Beyond the high-tech singing toilets, there lay an indoor swimming pool that redefined extravagance. extravagance. An outdoor pool, because why settle for one when you can have two? Every corner of this mansion screams Drake. From the custom-made Bösendorfer piano to a special hallway adorned with basketball jerseys, each space tells a story of his journey and success. Even DJ Khaled couldn't help but express awe and inspiration at the sight of it. But let's talk numbers for a second. While the mansion has often been quoted at an eye-watering $150 million, that might be a stretch. Considering the real estate market in Bridle Path, Drake's home, while undeniably more luxurious, probably wouldn't fetch that much. Nevertheless, it stands as a monument to Drake's vision, luxurious, bold, and utterly unique. Now let's shift gears and cruise into another aspect of Drake's lavish lifestyle, his awe-inspiring car collection. For Drake, cars are not just modes of transportation, they are rolling pieces of art, symbols of success and style. In the world of exotic cars, Drake's garage stands out. It's like a museum showcasing some of the rarest and most luxurious vehicles ever made. From vintage classics to modern supercars, each vehicle in his collection tells a story of sophistication and opulence. First up, the centerpiece of his collection, the Bugatti Veyron Sang Noir. Only 12 of these exist in the world, and Drake owns one. This isn't just a car, it's a masterpiece on wheels, combining unparalleled performance with sleek, dark aesthetics. Then there's the Rolls-Royce Phantom, the epitome of luxury. But Drake's Phantom is not just any Rolls-Royce, it's a bespoke model featuring a custom OVO owl hood ornament replacing the iconic Spirit of Ecstasy. It's a testament to his unique taste and his personal brand. Enter the Lamborghini Aventador, a symbol of raw power and aggressive design. And let's not forget the Mercedes-Maybach G650, one of the most luxurious off-road vehicles, offering a blend of rugged capability and elegance. Every vehicle is a statement, a piece of art that reflects his journey and his status as a global icon. But wait, the extravagance doesn't end at the mansion's gates or with his luxury vehicles. Let's soar into another realm of Drake's lavish world, his very own Boeing 767, affectionately named Air Drake. This isn't just a means of travel, it's a flying palace, a symbol of ultimate luxury in the skies. Picture this, a custom-designed aircraft, complete with Drake's signature OVO owl, emblazoned on the exterior, representing his music label, October's very own. The exterior design is a head-turner, but it's the interior that takes luxury to new heights. Step inside Air Drake, and you're welcomed into a realm of plush leather seats, extravagant lounges, and gold-plated accents. Every detail screams opulence, from the custom-made carpets to the rich mahogany woodwork. It's less of an airplane and more of a flying five-star hotel. But here's the kicker. Unlike most celebrities who lease their jets, Drake's Boeing 767 is reportedly all his, a gift from the Canadian airline Cargojet. Yes, you heard that right, a gift, making it one of the most extravagant presents in celebrity history. As you sit back in one of the plush, oversized chairs, it's clear this jet is more than just a mode of transport. It's a statement. It's Drake's way of transcending the norms of celebrity travel, taking his lifestyle to, quite literally, a higher level. If you've been mesmerized by this journey through one of the most lavish celebrity homes, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more breathtaking content like this. Stay tuned to Luxify, where luxury is just the beginning.